Good morning student. Today we will discuss our computer first chapter, that is the number system. A number system is simply a method of counting. As we all know, the time when the calculator are not invented, at that time the pebble, stone, fingers are used for the counting. There is a limitations of this method because if we have to counting from 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, then how it is possible to maintain 1000 finger at a time for counting purpose? So with the passage of time, number system is implemented with the decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. The digital computer represent all kind of data and information in binary number. It include audio, graphic, video, text. Whatever the data is in the form of graphic, text and video, computer only understand that particular graphic, audio and video only in the 0 and 1 form. So the total number of digits used in a number system called its base. If we have two number, suppose 0 and 1, then it means its base is 2. That is binary number system. The base is written after the number as a subscript, such as 512. The base 10 is written for a number expressed in a decimal number system. Here we can see the number is 512. Here the number is 512 and the base 10 is written at the below of that particular number, so it is a decimal number system. So moving with the decimal number system, the decimal number system consists of a digit from 0 to 9. The digit can be used to represent any of the numeric value. The base of decimal number is 10. It is most widely used number system. The value represented by individual digit depend on the weight and the position of that number. In decimal number system, we will have a number from 0 to 9. So the total count is 10. So its number is to be, its base is 10. Each number in a system consists of digits which are located at different position. The position of first digit toward left side of the decimal point is 0. The position of second digit toward left side of decimal number is 1. Similarly, the position of first digit toward the right side of decimal number is -1. It means if we have a point and with the left hand side, with the movement of left hand side, it will multiply a number with the base to power 0, then base to power 1, then base to power 2, and with the right hand side, it multiply the number with the base the power -1, base the power -2. Let us take an example of 724. Here 7 is the left most digit and 4 is the right most digit. The value of the rightmost digit are always less than the value of the leftmost digit. Here we can say here 7, 2 and 4. With this logic, moving with the left hand side, we multiply the number with the base 0. Here we talk about the decimal number system, so the base is 10. So we multiply 4 with 10 raised to the power 0, then plus 2 multiply with the 10 raised to the power 1 as base the power 2 to 10 raised to the power 2 with 7 multiply by 10 raised to the power 2. So adding this 7 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 0 is obvious 1. Any number whose power is 0 is become 1. Suppose if any of the number 2 raised to the power 0, it is also 1. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, and if we have a number 3 raised to the power 0, it is also 1. So adding this 720 plus 4, we get 724 as the base 10. Next, the binary number system. The word binary, bi, meaning two. We see bi in a word such as a bicycle, two wheel, or we can say that two number, that is 0 or 1, in on or off a state, on or off state. 0 means off, 1 means on state. 1 means on state. A single binary digit like 0 or 1 is called a bit. Here 0 is also called bit and 1 is also called a bit. For example, 11010 is a 5-bit long. 11010. First bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit and fifth bit. So we call it 5-bit long number. The word bit is made up of a word binary digit. A computer is a machine made up of a transistor, switch and other component. All these electronic components are in two mutual exclusive state, either on or off. If we have a switch, the switch is either in two of the state, either in on or either in off state. If it is on, then its value is 1. If it is off, then its value is 0. The two binary digits represent these two states. Every instruction to the computer is therefore converted into 0 and 1 so that it is understood and implemented. This is language therefore known as the machine language. Computer language, computer only understands 0 and 1. So the language of computer is also called the machine language. A binary number is made up of a 0 and 1. Here in a binary number system, we have two of the number 0 and 1, so its base is 2. If we have to take any of the example of binary number, we can write it as 2. These are the example of binary number. Next, here we can say there is a table that relate with bit, byte, nibble and word relation. Bit, that is a 1 bit, a single bit, either 0 or 1. If we talk about a bit, it means a single bit, either 0 or 1. And next is nibble, that is a group of 4 digit, either 0 or 1. Nibble is a combination of 4 digit, that is a 4 bit. Suppose we can call it as, this is a bit and this is 0110. It is a combination of 4 bit, so it's called as nibble. So there is a relationship between this, is that one nibble is equal to 4 bit. Next, byte. Here group of 8 digit, either 0 or 1. Here group of 8 digit, either 0 or 1. Next is word is 16. Let us take an example. Bit, nibble, byte, word. 1 bit, it means either 0 or 1. Nibble. 4 bit is 4 bit, 0011, 1100. Any of the number you can maintain any of the number, it's depend upon your wish. The next is byte, that is 8 bit. 00110011. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 bit, this is called to be 1 byte. Next is 16 bit. 16 bits, 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. So count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 bit become one word. Our next is octal number system. Octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7. The base of octal number is 8. Octal number system, it contains the digit from 0 to 7. 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. So its base is 8. So its base is 8. Any digit in this system is always less than 8. Any of the number if we have to represent under the octal number system, then the digit are always exist within 0 to 7 or always less than the 8. Suppose if I am writing 712, it is a octal number because 7 are also in this range, 1 are also in this range, and 2 are also in this range. If I am writing 782, this is not an octal number. This is not an octal number because 7 are exist in this range, but 8 are not exist in this range. 0 to 7 there is no 8. So this is not a octal number system. So 2, 2, 2. This is also a octal number because 2 also in this range, again 2, again 2. Next, octal number system is used as a shortened representation of a long binary number. If we have a very long binary number, then we can represent it with a shortest form in the octal number system. So we can say that octal number system is used as a shortened representation of a long binary number. The number 841 is not valid in this number system because 8 is not a valid digit, because the 8 is not lying in this range from 0 to 7. Similar with the decimal number system. Suppose our range is 0 to 9. Then the number are exist between 0 to 9 under the decimal number system. And same with the binary. Its base is 2 and range is 0 and 1. If I am writing 213 and base is 2, it's not a binary number. Because 2 are not in a range of 0 and 1. 1 are also in the range of 0 and 1, but 3 is not in the range of 0 and 1. So it is not a binary number. But if I am writing 0110, this is a binary number because both the digits 0 and 1 are exist in this range. Clear? Next is hexadecimal number system. The number system contains 16 digits from 0 to 9 and A to F. Hexadecimal number system. The number system consists of 16 digits. It contains 16 digits. 0 to 9 and A to F. How I am writing this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as per the hexadecimal number system, we have 0 to 15, but we write it as 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, D, E and F. So I am writing this as 0 to 9 and A to F. So combinedly I can say that 0 to F is a range of hexadecimal number system. So the letter A to F represent decimal number from 10 to 15. A to F. The base of this number is 16. Each digit position is hexadecimal number system represent a power of 16. The number 764 base 16 is valid hexadecimal number. It is different from 76410, which is 764. The number system provides shorthand method to represent long binary number. Here it can says as 764 is a valid hexadecimal number. 888 is also a valid hexadecimal number because these are lying in this range 0 to 9 and 0 to 15. 8 are exist here, 764 are also exist in this range. So Here we can see the table regarding with the all the number system. Suppose number system, first one is binary, base is 2, range is 0 or 1. Because it contain only two of the number, its base is 2. Example 0 1 1 0 0 2. All of this number are exist between this range 0 or 1. Next octal, 8 is the base and 0 and 1, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 2 6 base is 8. It is a valid octal number. If I am writing 8 to 8, it is a non-valid, invalid octal number. Next is decimal number, base is 10. It contains the digit from 0 to 9, that is 0 to 9. 9 to 3 is a valid decimal number. Next, hexadecimal, base is 16. Here it contains 0 to 9 and 10 to 15 as A to F. So we can write it as A53 is a valid hexadecimal number system. If I am writing here 882, it is also a valid hexadecimal number system. If I am writing as D, C and 5, it is also a valid hexadecimal number, because D are also in this range, C are also in this range and 5 are also in this range. D represent 13, C represent 12 and 5 is in this range from 0 to 9. So it is also a valid hexadecimal number. Thank you.